If your Prezi dashboard is cluttered and you're trying to find an older presentation fast, you can use the built-in search tools to narrow things down in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to search for Prezi presentations so you can quickly locate the file you need without scrolling through everything manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Prezi account and open your dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll see your workspace where all of your presentations are stored. This is the main area where Prezi keeps your files, so if you've created multiple projects over time, this is where the search feature becomes really useful. Next, look to the left sidebar menu and click on Presentations, or in some accounts you may see Prezi Present. This takes you to the section where your presentation files are organized and displayed. If you have a lot of content, this step helps make sure you're searching in the correct area instead of looking through unrelated sections. Now, move to the top of your dashboard screen and locate the search bar. This is usually easy to spot because it sits above your list of files and is designed to help you quickly filter your presentations. Click inside the search bar and start typing a title, a keyword, or even the name of a collaborator associated with the project. You don't always need the exact full title. In many cases, even one strong keyword can bring up the presentation you're looking for. For example, if your presentation was about marketing, sales, school, training, or a client name, typing one of those words may be enough to surface the right file. If you remember part of the title, enter that first and let Prezi narrow the results for you. If the presentation was shared with another person, you can also search by a collaborator's name to make it easier to find. As you type, Prezi will filter the results automatically, which saves time and helps you avoid manually scanning through your entire library. This is especially helpful if your dashboard contains a lot of presentations, drafts, or older files you haven't opened in a while. Once the file appears, click it to open and continue working. If you don't see the correct result right away, try adjusting your keyword and searching again with a different part of the title or collaborator name. Using these simple search steps can make your Prezi workflow much faster and much more organized. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.